Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a mansion that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by US 400,000 or Jamaican $61.5 million. This is a beautifully designed Mediterranean estate that is located in the gated community of Spring Farm Estate in St. James. The house wraps around the pool and the jacuzzi, which are a part of a grand courtyard, which showcases the Mediterranean vibes. The grounds are exquisitely manicured with a variety of fruit trees and the tropical plants that flows towards the ocean. This house is turnkey ready and is kept in a immaculate condition. It sits on 1.33 acres of lush land and has floor space of approximately 6,500 square feet. Call today for a viewing of this mansion. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
The asking price for this house is US 2.5 million or Jamaican $384.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.